everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to the post office to collect a package that my wife bought it for me, and it was my birthday, but I couldn't receive it on time. So I just get an email that my package is on the post office, so now I'm going to collect it. So see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. Okay, see you guys. So guys, this is what I received from the post office. So now we are going to open it, and for you guys to see what is inside. Okay, let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, very nice. Yeah, it's camera. Oh wow, this is what my wife bought it for me because it was very late. I was supposed to open it on my birthday, but I couldn't open it on my birthday, so I just received it today, and I say, okay, let me show it to my viewers, let me show it to my subscribers what I received on my birthday. So let's open it and see what is inside. It's camera, but let's see if everything is set. Let's see if everything is set. So that's camera. That's the new camera that they use it for YouTube. So my wife just bought it for me, but I couldn't receive it on time. So let's open it and see what is inside. Though it's a camera, but let's see if everything is okay. Okay, that's the full set of the camera. So let's open it and see if everything is okay inside. Okay, so let's open it and see. Oh wow, very nice. Okay guys, so this is the camera that I'll be using from now going on. I'll not use my phone anymore. Now I get a camera. That's a microphone that I'll be talking through. Okay. And I think this is a charger that I'll be using it. And that's the full package, guys. That's what I received on my birthday. Yeah, that's an extra charger. So you can see. So that's the full package of the camera that I received today. So thanks to my wife, she surprised me, but the package did not come on time. But I just want to say thank you to my beautiful wife for giving me this. That means she wants me to continue doing what I like best. So, and that's the cover of the camera. So if you like what you are seeing, give me a comment down below. And thank you once again for the present. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. Okay guys, so I'm putting everything inside, and I'll be using it frequently. So now I will not use my telephone anymore. I'll be using this. Okay, see you. So guys, this is my new Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So this is what I received from my birthday. So this is what I'm going to use it nowadays. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. Until then, peace.